Okay, these plates on top of the SA22s, they are not lining up on the holes. That's the first one. Second one. We got it. You're right. That's the last one. Next plate. Yeah, it's close. This one, not lined up. There's that other one, that's way off. Next one. That one's off. Yeah, this one comes this way. And this one over here is the other way. So they're not lining up.
Hey, none of these are lining up.
This was the thing we showed when we were here last couple weeks ago before Christmas.